What is going on, traders? So this is crazy. I am watching DRYS right now. This is the third halt that has been put on within the matter of 15 minutes or so. Okay, this is going nuts right now. This is exactly what we call a mega or a parabolic short squeeze. If you're familiar with the stock DRYS, then you know that it is the world's shittiest stock. Okay, DRYS has been through so many reverse splits. Mind you, reverse splits are not good. They are bad. Reverse splits happen when a company is dog crap and they have to do a reverse split to make their share price higher, basically because the company sucks. Put it at that. This company's been through so many reverse splits, you can't even count them on your fingers and your toes. With that being said, it is a perfect stock for short sellers to short because the stock always goes down. It's just known to go down. So there's so many short sellers within the stock that what you're getting is a parabolic or a mega short squeeze. That means that there's so many people shorting the stock. As soon as it starts to turn around and come up, those shorts are losing a lot of money because it's no longer going down and they have to cover their position. So not only are we getting shorts covering their position, making the price going up, you're getting people who are in the stock long, and now you're getting momentum traders coming in to ride that momentum up, so the price is just skyrocketing. This is the third circuit halt that it's been on with a matter of 15 minutes, and we're catching it live. And I'm hoping when the circuit or the halt stops, we're going to see this thing continue to skyrocket. Okay, so if we look, or if I zoom out, this stock just went through a reverse split right here. You can see down here where it has that little purple at. We just went through a reverse split again. That's why the stock jumped up so high. So coming into today, everybody knows that DRYS is a dog crap company. So you had a ton of people shorting the stock, expecting it to go down. And then as soon as you get this little sign of hope that the stock is turning around, shorts are getting scared and they start covering their position, causing a mega short squeeze. I just alerted this maybe 10-15 minutes ago within the TechBud Solutions channel, momentum trading chat that we have set up for TechBud Solutions. I'll put a link in the description so you can join into this, but I mentioned this and I alerted it to a lot of the members, and some of them have been able to make some money on it. But long story short, this chat room is going crazy right now because I alerted, not just me, there's other people that alert this thing too, but I just alerted the halt and the mega short squeeze that we are getting on DRYS right now. And look at, okay, we came back into trading and now it's selling off. It hit a high of 301 and now it's coming down. So let's just watch this thing. This thing may continue to rip. We're just going to have to wait and see. I think it may have hit its peak. Okay, the high of day on the stock from the reverse split was at, zoom out some more, was at 261. So we already broke high of day from that reverse split. We're going to see if this thing can continue up. Right now, it looks like we're going to start selling. Oh, boom, there it goes again. What do you know? We continue upwards. This thing is just crushing it right now. Let me zoom in for you guys. Okay, so now we're getting 378,000 shares traded within this 1 minute candle. Okay, this thing is completely bullish right now. Let's see what this thing can do. Let's see if it can continue ripping. 323. Look at all the orders filling up here. You see this? This is what you're talking about. Mega short squeeze. This thing is so bullish. There's so many people on the bid side and nothing on the ask. No one is selling. Everybody is on the buy side. This thing's going to rip. Look at halted again. You want to know why I got halted again? Because there's too many people flooding it with orders. Okay? This thing is going to skyrocket. If you look at the time and shares, look at this, all green. No red. A little bit, but look at that, all green. All green. Mega short squeeze. This thing is just going to rip. It's going to continue to do so. Shorts know they're getting crushed. They're covering. Momentum traders are in the stock, and they're going to keep playing this. I don't care how long this video is. I'm going to keep this video going so that we can show you what it means to be on a parabolic mega short squeeze happening right now in live time. This is freaking awesome. Let me go back over the chat, see what everybody has to say. Okay, let's see what we got here. Let me alert some things. Still short squeezing. Have any of you guys made some profit from this play? It's crazy. And I'm going to tell them, I'm going to tell everybody in this chat to keep watching, can't spell, keep watching level 2 on the bid side to confirm that it's going to continue going up. Make sure orders are being flooded into the level 2 bid side. Boom. All right, dude. So let's go back and just look at this chart, okay? This is a 1-minute chart, and this thing is just ripping. Basically, from when I alerted it, the stock is now up 65%. That's insane, okay? I mean, if you want to look back in a later time frame, even a 20-day chart, let's go on a 20-day chart. Hell, let's go farther than that. Let's go maybe 180 days too far, way too far. So let me go into another chart. Let's do 3-month. Oh, back there. Let's go to 3-month, and we'll do a 3-month, 90-day 1-hour chart. I mean, if you look at this 90-day 1-hour chart, I mean, $55 all the way down to 53 cents. This thing has been downtrending. This is a short seller heaven right now. Okay, so let's go back to, let's even put it on a 5-minute chart, and you'll see this thing is just continuously green. All you see on a 5-minute chart is just green, green, green. There's absolutely no selling right now. It is just buy, buy, buy. This is crazy. So let's just wait until the circuit halt is done. We'll go back to the 1-minute chart and just look at this, guys. I mean, the video may go a little long, but we're just going to capture this whole short squeeze as much as we possibly can and this huge momentum train. And we're just going to let this video ride. And then this will give you an idea of what it's like when you really find an awesome intraday breakout short squeeze play where you can make tons of money, especially on halts. Every once in a while, you'll get a stock to be halted like this, and there was just so many orders that got filled on the halt that when the halt breaks and it opens back up, trading opens back up, you could gap up $2. Okay, this is very possible with this stock right now. Let's see what traders are saying in the chat right now. See, look at here. Wouldn't want to be the guy that shorted it this morning. That is exactly what's happening. People shorted the stock this morning, and all these shorts had to cover their position, causing this thing just completely skyrocket. Let's see what else we got. What do we else got in here? Someone's asking for a scanner for halts. Craziest Friday on DRYS. So this is happening. Let me check out my other chat room I got going on here. General chat. Let's see. Another halt. Those of you got in. Good job. Wow, I should have jumped in. I would have traded on Robinhood. Drop soon. It will fall fast. Please do a video about this kind of move. So a girl's asking me to do a video about this kind of move in my chat room right now. And the funny thing is I'm making the video as I'm doing it. So that's pretty funny. Let's go back over to the screen. Hopefully it gets unhalted here soon. Should be just a few minutes and we'll jump back into this train. So hopefully we can continue to see the short squeeze. Or there's this momentum train running up. This is freaking awesome. So let's just hang out, you know. We can talk. You guys can be my friend for the day or for the video. Oh, well, I guess since now they're on a halt, good time to mention, if anybody of you are new traders, please like and subscribe. I'm always doing very transparent videos where I give you a breakdown of really as much as I can give you about trading. I don't have any hidden secrets. I tell it like it is. Okay, here we go. We're coming back into trading. Let's see what happens. We got a high of 3. Boom. We're continuing up right now. Okay, now we're looking at the level 2. We want to see the level 2 flooded with orders and almost no selling on the right side. Okay, so right now there's more on the ask than there is on the bid. Okay, let's see if we continue up. All green, little red. We're getting a lot of selling pressure now. It's probably people taking profits. Doesn't mean that it can't continue to run. We have a big seller that just got bought up. More sellers at 350, 351. Buyers at 359. Boom, there it goes again. Look at that. Huge. No one on the ask. Everybody's on the buy. Here we go. It's probably going to get halted if it continues. Oh, there goes the brakes. Come on. Hopefully this thing continues up. That would be awesome. Continue up. Still some green coming through. But when this thing stops, we're going to see a massive sell-off. That's what you expect to see, is a big sell-off. It is just the market is rejecting that lower price, and it's really trying to keep pushing forward. We can zoom in even more here. Let's get in and zoom in some more. All right, it looks like the market is favoring the bulls, and we're pushing up. This thing is just going nuts. 1 million shares traded in that 1 minute candle. Going green. We're going green. Orders are filling in on the bid. New candle. The squeeze is probably done. Now it's probably running majority on momentum. So it might be falling off now. It doesn't look like we're going to sustain. We just got a hanging man candle at the top, and that signifies a downtrend. So right now we could probably expect to see a sell-off. Let's just watch this. Absolutely nuts. Absolutely freaking nuts. And so these aren't going to happen every day. Stuff like this is not going to happen every day, but being able to catch it in live time is what matters. And it basically happens by running scanners and just keeping a close eye on the market all day long, because things like this can happen all day long. This is technically, we're just getting into the, coming close to power hour trading within the day. So this is usually when things kind of slow down. And as I said, we got the hanging man candle. If you're not familiar, a hanging man candle looks like that. When it's at the top, like top of an uptrend, we call it a hanging man. That signifies that we're looking at a reversal, and now we're going to start downtrending. So that is what you can expect to see, is a big downtrend. Right now we're breaking through the 9 moving average, so we're about to bust through support. Once this breaks, we're going to see a heavy drop. Should, at least. The market always acts crazy, but that's what we could expect to see, a big drop. So right now wouldn't be a bad time to probably take a short position. If you're looking to short the stock, it could be a potential time to take a short. But once again, like I said, we got the hanging man candle. Usually signifies we're coming into a downtrend. But there's still a big fight right now going on. But it is losing some of the volume. As you see, the volume starting to drop. Here we go, continue. We need to get a strong break through that 9 moving average, and we'll be heading downwards. So maybe I'll keep this video going for a little bit longer. But just to recap, we'll recap why this thing moved the way it did, okay? DRYS is a horrible company. Their stock has gone through many, many reverse splits in the past. Reverse splits are not good. They're not a good thing. They're a bad thing for a company. So if a company constantly goes through reverse splits and they're a dog crap company and they continue to always go down, that is a short seller's heaven. That is a good place for short sellers to be, because they're going to make a lot of money betting that the company is going to continue downwards if it always does. So knowing the company DRYS always goes down, there's tons of short sellers in the stock shorting it. It went through a reverse split today. A bunch of people probably tried to short sell the stock today, expecting it to go down. Once we got into midday trading and it started to uptrend, shorts got scared right in here, and they started covering their position, causing the price to go up. Causing that price to move up so fast, you started getting the attraction of momentum traders like myself, saying, holy crap, this is going to be a short squeeze, let me hop on this train. So we start buying the stock. Now the price gets pushed even higher. Not to mention, you just have random buyers in the stock that have been holding it forever, or you have people that bought in down here, but you had momentum traders pushing the stock up, regular everyday investors who bought the stock pushing it up, and then you have shorts covering it to cause that mega pop in the price action, okay? So with that being said, that's really why we had that short squeeze happen there. And so we're kind of recap the video or finish it off there. And let me just finish. I know the video has been kind of long, but I am a member of TechBuds and a partner of TechBuds. I will put a description for the momentum trading chat link in the description below. Please join it if you would like to get in on some of the hot stock tips, just like this one we found live intraday. And please do not fill up the chat room with a bunch of spam. Try and keep everything simple and organized for all the members in the chat room. That way everybody gets the best opportunity to find the best stock picks when they are alerted. Please like and subscribe. Like I said, I'm very transparent with my videos, and I try to give everybody the best information that I possibly can without keeping any secrets behind or anything like that. So once again, thanks for joining in. Thank you for watching the video.